Hi friends, I am Tilak and you are watching Tech Made Me Unique. And
So in this video, I just going to show how to insert the footnote, Google Docs footnote on your Google Docs. So you just need to, you can see nothing here. So it's actually empty. So I just need to insert the footnote. Just go to the insert option here, and you can find the footnote here. So the shortcut key was Control plus Alt plus F. You can use on the keyboard. Just press the Control Alt and F or click here. So you can see a footnote with a line has been inserted here. Here you can type as whatever that you want to be a footnote here. So hi and well, so I just typed the footnote. So by this method you can insert the footnote on your Google Docs, and you can type whatever that you want to be a footnote on your document. So if you find this video perfectly useful, like this video, share this video with your friends, and don't forget to click on subscribe button below. And if you want more content about Google Docs, just follow this channel. We will meet on next video with a super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech May Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.